Namaste and welcome to this sacred learning journey. In this YouTube series, I will be teaching the divine Lalita Sahasranama through vocal recitation, helping you learn the correct pronunciation of the shlokas. The Lalita Sahasranama consists of 183 powerful shlokas, which I will be dividing into 20 easy to follow episodes with 10 shlokas in each episode. The series is designed for everyone who wishes to learn, chant, and understand the beautiful shlokas. If you find the content helpful, please like, subscribe, and share so more devotees can benefit. Let us begin the divine journey together. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Om Dhyanam Sindhuraruna Vigraham Trinayanam Manikyamouli Spurat Taranayaka Shekaram Smitamuki Mapinavakshoruham Panibhya Malipunnaratnachashakam Raktotpalam Bhibratim Somyam Ratnaghatastaratacharanam Dhyayet Paramambhigam. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shri Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudhyata Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbhahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodhakarankushojjvala Manorupekshukodanda Panchatanmatrasayaka Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjadbrahmandamandala Champakashoka Punnaga Saugandhikalasatkaja Puruvindamanishteni Kanatkotiramandhita Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja Dalikastala Shobhita Mukha Chandra Kalankabha Bruganabi Visheshaka Vadanasmara Mangalya Gruhatorana Chillika Vaktralakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeenabhalocana Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Dhanda Virajita Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasura Kadambha Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara Tatanka Yugalibhuta Tapanodupamandala Padmaraga Shiladarsha Paribhavika Polabhu Navavidruma Bimbashri Nekkariradhanachada Shuddha Vidyam Kurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshati Gantara Hari